always on call. Let's just finish this job. What you got for me?
This is what I got for you. Step over here for me. In the dead zone here, mag always stays out and the barrel sock always stays on. And the safety must always be on. Here's your own mask.
Thank you.
I need to check the FPS on that.
Thank you.
I wasn't expecting to see you so soon since your last player got kicked out.
Oh, so we're bringing this up again.
Hey man, I wasn't the one who cheated. Y'all lost, I won.
Man, why are you little...
Whoa, yo, let's chill. Guys, we got a game starting up in the next couple minutes. Let's settle down on the field. We're just here to have some fun. Let's get after it. Everybody got their armbands?
Sure do.
You got 2 armbands. Let me see the other one.
There you go, man.
Gotcha. Alright guys, a couple things for me to cover while you guys put on those armbands. Alright, remember, please do not shoot before or after my game has started. Please wait for a ref to start and stop your game. You guys ready to head out there? Yes, please. Blue team, please sit up, secure your face mask. Please head up the right side for me. Please go to your right side jailhouse. Yellow team, please stand up, secure your face mask. Please have the left. Remember, please keep your mask on at all times when you're out of the field.
Go.
When I ask if your team is ready, reply so I can begin the match. Blue team, are you ready? Yellow team, are you ready? Prepare to engage the enemy in 3, 2,
Hit.
Five, 4, 3, 2. Ceasefire, ceasefire. The game has ended. Remove your magazines from your weapons, clear your weapons in the clearing barrels, and hand your armband into a referee. All players report to the middle door.
Alright, if you'll look up here, I'll give you a demonstration on your M4 style airsoft rifle. In your full daily kit, you'll get your face mask, your BBs, your magazine, and airsoft rifle. Now, most importantly is your face mask. This face mask is to be on at all times and never come off while you're on the field, for whatsoever reason. This here is your M4 style rifle. It should always look like this, with your safety on, magazine out, and barrel socket on the barrel. It works just as a standard M4 style rifle, but with a few little tweaks. To begin with, this is your magazine. It works as so. You open this trap door, and with about 6 to 7 handfuls of BBs, you can fill it up, and then close the trap door back. You'll take this and wind at the bottom. You'll continue to wind until BBs appear at the top hole. When on the field, and only on my field, will you be able to put the magazine in, take the barrel sock off, put your gun on fire, and continue on. Our field is only semi-automatic unless instructed by a referee. Whenever the game ends, you are to take your magazine out, take off your barrel stock, come through the clearing tent, fire once, twice, or 3 times into the barrel to clear out your firearm, put your barrel stock back on, and proceed out of the clearing tent, putting your armband in the bucket and showing the refs that you have done all the steps to exit the clearing tent. Once you exit the clearing tent, that's the only time you'll be able to take off this face mask and get your gun ready for the next game. Here you are. Let's get it.